Hi everybody, my name is Taylor Green. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
My name is Rhys, Barber. I'm the other audiologist here at Audiology Associates. So this is my patient to start with. Nice, quick and easy one. You can see the patient's put loads of oil in here. This is the standard size ulnar tube as well. Sorry guys, welcome to day 14 of Waxvent. I forgot to mention that bit.
I was just going to jump in there.
I forgot to mention that at the beginning. But nice grip here on this bottom section. There we go, you can see the whole thing. Look at that.
Yeah, you can see that kind of that thin layer of skin on the outside is coming out with it as well. That's perfect.
So this looks like it's all coming away in one big chunk.
It's solid.
It is. It is. I think it's a good job the patient put as much oil in as they did. I think we would have really struggled to get that out otherwise. So let's look beyond that. Oh, it's pretty good. I mean, there was a little bit of oil pooled, you can see down in there. So I'm just going to take that little pool of oil out, just suctioning that fluid just in front of the eardrum. You can see the level going down as we're suctioning that in. But other than that, you can see the eardrum nice and clearly. Patient's going to hear so much better with that going on, without that in there, sorry. There we go.
Oh, lovely job that.
Yeah, so it looks very, very good. So this is what we removed. So if I go 3/8 of an inch on that one.
Oh, half a centimetre.
Yeah.
Or just under half a centimetre.
That's 1 centimetre.
1 centimetre?
That's 1
Is it?
centimetre.
Oh gosh. 1 centimetre. Sorry, I was looking in the. Oh my god.
Oh, this is yours.
This is mine now. Oh, very, 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 very dry. Similar to Rhys's, but no oil.
No, I was going to say.
Or barely any oil in this one.
Gosh, that is dry.
Yeah, so patient has reported using oil, but it was a little while ago. We tend to get it quite a lot where patients do use some oil and it usually tends to block them up more, which does happen quite a lot with especially large pieces of wax like this. As the oil absorbs into the wax can sometimes expand slightly, which will sometimes cause a bit of a pressure feeling or a really blocked up sensation. So a lot of patients will use a little bit of oil and then just stop. And I think that's what's happened in this particular case.
Gosh.
Yeah, very, very dry. So we're just peeling away off the ear canal. You can already see this whole plug is starting to move now that we've peeled this off the ear canal. So I'm going to try and give this a bit of a wiggle now, just to try and walk this out of the ear canal.
It's a fair size plug that as well, no?
Yeah, we've got a bit of a mixture, a bit of dry skin. We got, again, a lot of loose hair. We've got a lot of old wax. It's just a really chunky old plug, this one.
He's a beastie, isn't he?
Yeah.
Is that going to bend around the corner?
This is always the tricky bit now. So we've loosened it, but we're just having to try and maneuver it around the ear canal. And I think this breaks away. I think this comes away in pieces. Yeah. So we've broken away a little bit.
That's a shame, isn't it, when it breaks that front end off like that?
The ideal situation, obviously, is that it all comes out in one go. It doesn't always happen.
No, it's rare, isn't it? You'll get it all out, because it's got to make so many bends, especially the longer ones.
Oh, here we go. That's that walk-in, so that you could see as we were putting it up and down, it was just sliding forwards.
God,
it's an
that's
old
size,
plug,
isn't it? Yeah.
There we go. One last little piece. Looking really clear behind, mind. I honestly wasn't expecting it to look that clean behind.
No.
When I say clean,
No.
clear of wax behind. I was expecting it to see like patches and really thick, like dry bits that are stuck against the eardrum, but no, that's the last little piece that we pulled away there, and yeah, looking perfect.
Yeah, that's looking very good. I mean, the eardrum looks lovely and healthy as well, doesn't it? That looks really, really good.
Really good. This is the same patient. Wasn't really having any issues with this side. Bit of itching, standard, usual sort of symptom of some dry skin or some wax building up in the ear, but no issues with the hearing. So yeah, little piece, and it was drier than what I thought it was going to be, but we've got really lucky here. As I peeled that off the ear canal, the whole thing has literally started pulling forwards for us. You can see there's a little tiny bit that's holding this.
Just that little bit of keratin anchored to the back end, isn't it? And there
we go.
That's looking good as well.
Yeah, didn't really need to clear up these little tiny bits here, but just thought I'd try and get as much as I possibly could.
while you're just tidying up with it. If you do have any problems with your ears, you can always check out the link tree in the description, no matter which social media platform you're watching this on. It'll have a link to our website. You can book yourself an appointment to see myself or the lovely Mr. Taylor Green. And if you do enjoy the videos, then guys, don't forget you can always like, heart, share, follow and subscribe for us. Don't forget to, I can't speak today, don't forget even to hit that notification bell and you'll get notified every time we post a new video.
We had a bit of clarineting going on in that bit and it wasn't coming away, so I have left that little bit and I've just advised the patient use continual oil. I have no idea why I put my hand in the air.
That's the clarineting sound.
Do you know what? I had a dead arm in my sleep last night, so I think it's coming back to life now.
Ouch. That was, I think it was 1 3/4 inches. I can't remember what it was in centimetres. 2 and a bit. Oh, 3 and a bit, I think, actually.
You can always rewind and...
Yeah, just check it out. Have a look. This is yours as well?
Yeah, so this is mine again. This was a really quick one, actually. Quite surprised. I was surprised with this one because this looks really, really wet. And I thought it was going to come away in little tiny bits, but watch when we get a good grip here. Very, very slowly pulling this. You can see all the outer... the only way I can describe this, have you seen those videos where you see people pulling like dry paint out of a bucket?
Oh, yeah.
It's pretty much doing the same thing. You grab the center and the whole thing was just peeling from the inside out. This is pretty much a perfect one. I actually said this to the patient. I said, this could take a little while, but I said the ideal scenario here is that we get a little grip and it pulls the whole thing away, and that's exactly what's happened here.
How cleanly that's come away, that's always lovely.
There is a little bit of staining there, but I don't really want to put that patient under any stress or anything. Patient's hearing so much better already. That little bit of staining there is right up against the ear canal, so again, I don't really want to risk kind of poking and prodding around.
It's more cosmetic than anything else. And we always talk about this risk to benefit.
Yeah.
Patient's eardrum is completely clear, so they're going to hear perfectly well. What is the point of putting a patient under any more risk just to remove something that's just purely cosmetic? There isn't. It'll migrate out on its own from this point onwards now, so yeah, it's fine. 1/4 inch.
Yeah, I was just going to say 3/4 centimetre.
Yeah, I go with that. Yeah. Well, thanks very much for watching day 14 of Waxvent, guys. We shall be back. As you can see, we've found the Christmas gear again, so we shall be back tomorrow for day 15. But as always, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another, and we'll see you again real soon. Bye, everyone.
Bye.